and thank you for joining us once again here at Homes Inspiration Studios, your trusted source for art of home design and decor. Today, we're diving deep into the modern farmhouse design, specifically when adorned with that quintessential feature, the porch. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing for more home decor and design tips. This beloved aesthetic seamlessly blends rustic charm with contemporary sophistication, offering a lifestyle that is both comfortable and undeniably chic. What is the meaning of modern farmhouse designs with porch? Let's begin by defining what we mean when we speak of modern farmhouse designs with porch. At its heart, the modern farmhouse style is an evolution of the traditional farmhouse aesthetic, stripped down to its essential, functional elements, and infused with contemporary sensibilities. It takes the familiar comfort and timeless appeal of a classic rural home and updates it with clean lines, minimalist touches, and a sophisticated color palette. The porch component is not merely an add-on, it's an integral and defining characteristic of this style. Historically, farmhouses featured large porches as practical extensions of the living space, offering respite from the sun, a place for chores, and a spot for social gatherings. In modern farmhouse design, the porch retains its social and functional importance, but is reimagined with a contemporary flair. The modern farmhouse with a porch embodies a desire for a simpler, more connected way of life, while still embracing the conveniences and aesthetics of contemporary living. It's about creating a home that feels both grounded in tradition and refreshingly current. Achieving that coveted modern farmhouse aesthetic, especially with a beautiful porch, requires a thoughtful and cohesive design approach. Here's how you can make your modern farmhouse truly shine. 1. Embrace a dominant neutral palette with strategic contrasts. The foundation of modern farmhouse design is typically a white or off-white exterior, often combined with black accents. This classic combination provides a crisp, clean, and modern look. However, don't shy away from introducing contrasting elements. A dark gray or black metal roof, black framed windows, or a deep charcoal or natural wood front door can create striking visual interest. For your porch, consider a painted white or gray ceiling and dark stained wood flooring or concrete for a sophisticated base. 2. Incorporate architectural details thoughtfully. While modern farmhouse eschews excessive ornamentation, key architectural details are vital. Shiplap or board and batten siding are quintessential for exteriors, providing texture and a nod to traditional farmhouses. Gabled roofs are common, often with exposed rafter tails for a touch of rustic charm. For the porch, ensure columns are substantial yet clean-lined. Square or tapered pillars work beautifully. Simple railings, often vertical balusters, maintain an open feel. 3. Maximize natural light and views. Large, often grid-patterned windows are a hallmark. Consider oversized picture windows in key living areas and French doors or sliding glass doors leading to the porch to enhance the indoor-outdoor connection. Strategic window placement not only floods interiors with light but also frames exterior views, turning them into living art. 4. Blend materials for texture and depth. Don't limit yourself to just one exterior material. Combine elements like white shiplap with a stone or brick foundation, or a mix of vertical and horizontal siding. Metal accents, such as corrugated metal roofing on a porch overhang or standing seam metal roofing for the main house, add an industrial edge that complements the modern aesthetic. For your porch, consider mixing the warmth of wood decking with painted wood ceilings, or perhaps a concrete foundation with classic brick steps. 5. Design the porch as an extension of your living space. This is crucial. Furnish your porch with comfortable, weather-resistant furniture. Think oversized rocking chairs, a porch swing, or a large outdoor sofa. Add warmth with outdoor rugs, throws, and decorative pillows. Incorporate proper lighting, from overhead fixtures to string lights, to make it functional and inviting day and night. Consider an outdoor fireplace or fire pit for cooler evenings, further enhancing its usability. 6. Landscaping matters. The surrounding landscape should complement the clean lines of the modern farmhouse. Simple, well-maintained lawns, neatly defined garden beds with classic plantings like hydrangeas or boxwoods, and perhaps a gravel pathway can enhance the home's curb appeal. Avoid overly ornate or wild landscaping that might detract from the architectural simplicity. Let's dive into 10 inspiring modern farmhouse designs, each showcasing unique ways to integrate that essential porch into a stunning and functional home. One. The classic white and black modern farmhouse with wraparound porch. This quintessential design features pristine white board and batten siding contrasted sharply with black framed windows and a dark metal roof. A grand, expansive wraparound porch, supported by sturdy square columns, offers multiple seating areas and seamless access from various rooms, truly extending the living space outdoors. The porch flooring might be a dark stained wood or gray composite, providing a beautiful foundation for comfortable outdoor furniture. This design evokes a sense of timeless elegance and generous hospitality. 2. The industrial-inspired modern farmhouse with covered entry porch. This design blends the warmth of farmhouse with a sleek, industrial edge. Imagine a facade combining white vertical siding with dark gray corrugated metal accents on the upper gables or as a prominent porch overhang. The porch itself is a deep, sheltered entry featuring large black steel-framed glass doors and perhaps concrete flooring, creating a bold, contemporary statement while maintaining farmhouse comfort. Exposed steel beams or industrial-style lighting fixtures further enhance this unique blend. 3. The Southern Charm farmhouse with expansive front porch. Rooted in Southern architectural traditions, this modern farmhouse emphasizes hospitality. It might feature cream or light gray shiplap siding, a light-colored metal roof, and an exceptionally wide front porch designed for lounging and socializing. The porch often includes elegant, simple white columns, detailed railings, and perhaps a classic porch swing. Large double doors invite guests into an interior that often includes rich hardwood floors and comfortable, traditional furnishings, creating a truly inviting atmosphere. 4. The Scandinavian-influenced modern farmhouse with minimalist porch. This design embodies simplicity, functionality, and a connection to nature. The exterior might feature light-toned natural wood siding mixed with white sections, a simple dark roof, and very clean lines. The porch is often integrated subtly, perhaps as a simple, unadorned concrete slab or a light wood deck extending from the living area, with minimal railings or just simple, thin metal posts. Large, unobstructed windows are key, allowing abundant natural light to flood the minimalist, airy interiors. 5. The contemporary farmhouse with sleek porch integration. This design leans more heavily into the modern aspect, showcasing sophisticated forms and material combinations. Picture a home with a mix of dark vertical siding and large sections of glass, perhaps with a low-slung, flat roof or a very gentle pitch. The porch is seamlessly integrated into the structure, often covered by an extension of the main roofline, and might feature sleek concrete floors, minimalist furniture, and perhaps a fire pit integrated directly into the design. It's about sophisticated comfort and architectural drama. 6. The rustic refined farmhouse with stone and wood porch. This design celebrates natural materials and a more rugged elegance. The exterior might combine warm, natural stone veneer on the lower half with dark stained wood siding above. The porch would feature substantial stone columns or pillars, a rustic timber frame ceiling, and a large wood deck or flagstone patio. This style often has a deeper connection to its natural surroundings, emphasizing organic textures and earthy tones, perfect for a rural or semi-rural setting. 7. The compact urban farmhouse with welcoming entry porch. Even on smaller city lots, the modern farmhouse can thrive. This design focuses on maximizing space and curb appeal within a limited footprint. It might feature classic white shiplap siding, black framed windows, and a charming, well-proportioned front porch with a few inviting steps. The porch is often just deep enough for a couple of rocking chairs or a small bench, making a big impact with a small footprint, offering a warm welcome in a denser environment. 8. The cottage-inspired modern farmhouse with charming screened porch, blending the cozy appeal of a cottage with farmhouse elements. This design prioritizes comfort and outdoor living. The exterior might be a soft gray or light blue siding with white trim and a moderately pitched roof. A key feature is a delightful screened porch, often located off the side or rear of the house, providing a bug-free haven for relaxation and dining, beautifully extending the living space while protecting from the elements. This creates a highly functional and inviting outdoor room. 9. The upscale luxury modern farmhouse with multi-level porches. For those seeking grander scale, this design expands on the modern farmhouse aesthetic with multiple outdoor living spaces. This could involve a substantial front porch, a secondary screened porch or sunroom on one side, and a large open-air deck or patio at the rear, perhaps leading to a pool. Materials would be premium, and detailing would be precise, with expansive windows, high ceilings, and sophisticated landscaping, offering a luxurious interpretation of the style. 10. The transitional farmhouse with contemporary porch accents. This design serves as a bridge between traditional farmhouse and pure contemporary. The house might have classic farmhouse lines but with bolder, more modern materials and finishes. Think dark gray or black siding combined with light natural wood accents and large, simple windows. The porch could feature modern concrete steps, sleek metal railings, and minimalist outdoor furniture, offering a fresh, updated take on the farmhouse porch that feels current and sophisticated. As we draw to a close our comprehensive exploration of modern farmhouse designs with porches, it's clear that this style offers far more than just aesthetic appeal. It represents a lifestyle choice, one that values comfort, connection, and a harmonious blend of past and present. Whether you're drawn to the classic charm of a wraparound porch or the sleek integration of a minimalist one, the modern farmhouse provides a truly inspiring canvas for your dream home. After this, we will provide you a gallery of best farmhouse design ideas for your inspiration. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to the Homes Inspiration Studio channel for more inspiring interior design and home decor contents. Thank you and see you on the next inspiring and informative videos.